Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to take photo with voice on iPhone. Now for us to proceed, let's go over and open our settings and we're going to look for the accessibility. And here we're going to go ahead and look for voice control. And in the voice control, I want you to go ahead and create a new command. So click this. And then we're going to go ahead and click create new command. From here, we're going to go ahead and decide on the phrase. I'm going to go ahead and say cheese, for example, and then click action. For the action, we're going to go ahead and create custom gesture. And that custom gesture, we're going to go ahead and most likely choose one that we are doing for taking picture. So say you take picture and then you switch it to burst mode. So it's going to go ahead and look like this. Now that's going to be better because it's going to give us like a very good chance of capturing a good photo or being able to capture photo at all. And then we're gonna go ahead and click stop and then click the save button right here. And yeah, once you're done with that one, I want you to go ahead and go back here, click the application, and then we're gonna go ahead and look for camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and click it here. So it seems like we're not able to click that one, so I just scroll down and open this. Now that we have chosen camera, we can then go ahead and click the save button right here, and that is good to go. So now you can go ahead and try this.